Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the trending cinematic urban night portrait using Google Gemini Nano Banana. This effect will give your photo a moody, cold, and cinematic nighttime looks. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then just simply log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, you will be taken on the home page like this, and then just go to tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same ways to activate the Nano Banana, the AI feature that will let you edit or transforming the photo with just typing a prompt. And then next just upload your just upload your photo that you want to transform. For the best result, just use a clear portrait photo or with a face that clearly visible. Just tap on plus button to upload the photo and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's type a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just simply copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then just copy it using Google Lens and then just paste it to your prompt box like this. But feel free if you want to tweak the prompt, change the prompt as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, here it is. Your photo now looks like a stylish nighttime editorial shot like this. It has a cool tones and then moody lighting and soft background blur and a dramatic cinematic vibe. And I think it's really clean and so professional. It looks so good. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.